Hi guys, it's Madgie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this Burgundy Glam look. I did use the Jaclyn Hill palette to create this look. I always have so much fun creating looks with this palette. And remember to please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel for videos every single week. Enjoy the video. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot. It's going to look a little crazy, but it's okay because everything's going to be covered with eyeshadow. Now I added some tape alongside my eyes to ensure my makeup stays clean when I'm done with the eyes. And now I'm mixing these two neutral shades together and put that on my crease as a transition color. And by doing that, will help merge colors together so my next eyeshadow look blended. I'm going to dip into the color Jax, which is that burgundy color in the palette, and focus that on my outer lid, as you can see, and also my crease, and build that color until I'm satisfied with the pigment. What I'm doing right now is cleaning up my inner lid, so the color I'm going to put on top will pop. And the color I'm going to use is Faint, which is that shade in the top right of the palette. For liner, I'm using my Kat Von D waterproof liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to do a small wing. Now I'm prepping my lashes for falsies with my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and for lashes I'm using my Vegas Nail Lashes by Eyeliner in the style Easy Elegance. To prime my face, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I usually focus that on my T-zone, as you can see, and then I'm going to blend the excess onto the rest of my face. For foundation, I'm using the new Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. It is a full coverage, oil-free, and shine control foundation, and so far I'm loving it. I'm using a beauty blender as always to apply my foundation, and I'm also going to blend that down my neck, can't forget that. To highlight, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. I'm adding that to all the places I want highlighted and blend that with my beauty blender as well. And to set my concealer, I'm using my Mercier Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. I'm sweeping the excess powder with a brush and setting the rest of my face with the same Mercier powder. I'm using a black eyeliner to darken my waterline, and then I'm going to use the shades Jax and Chip. I'm going to mix these two together and blend that on my lower lash line. And now I'm adding some mascara on my lower lashes. To finish the eyes, I'm using the shade In Light to highlight my inner tear duct. Going back to my face, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the shade Deep 4. I'm going to lightly bronze my face, nothing too crazy. For blush, I'm using my MAC powder blush in the color Raisin and apply that lightly onto my cheeks. To highlight my face, I'm using my NYX Born to Glow highlighter in the shade Break the Rhythm. And lastly, for the lips, I'm using my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. And then on top of that, I'm going to use my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Exotic. So this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty and fashion videos. I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.